Hello, my dear friends. Meditation is an excellent exercise, and in this video, you will know about health benefits of meditation. Now, let's start.
My dear friends, meditation has numerous benefits, including 1. Reduce stress and anxiety. 2. Improved sleep quality. 3. Increased focus and concentration. 4. Enhanced self-awareness and emotional regulation. 5. Boosted mood and reduced symptoms of depression. 6. Improved relationships and communication skills. 7. Increased gray matter and neuroplasticity. 8. Improved immune function and reduced inflammation. 9. Increased feelings of compassion and empathy. 10. Greater sense of calm and well-being. 11. Improved cognitive function and memory. 12. Reduced chronic pain and improved pain management. 13. Improved emotional resilience and adaptability. 14. Increased sense of purpose and direction. 15. Greater overall sense of happiness and life satisfaction. Regular meditation practice can lead to a more balanced, peaceful, and fulfilling life. Even just a few minutes a day can make a big difference.